Hey दोस्तों नमस्ते. Second part. So we will be talking today about the questions that we have had. हम आज उन सारे सवालों के बारे में बात करेंगे जो चक्रा के फर्स्ट पार्ट के वीडियो के अंदर पूछे गए थे. आज मैं इसको थोड़ा तोड़ दूंगा. So many people have asked me whether when people activate the chakras, जब चक्रा एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, जब वो जागृत हो जाते हैं, तो ऐसी कौन सी घटनाएं होती हैं. Are there chances that you might start attracting negative energies, or are there chances that you have openings in your body that can attract negative energies, or maybe ghosts or any kind of negative entities? So we will talk about it in just a minute, but before that, afloat. So दोस्तों, आज एक छोटी सी बात है जो मैं आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ. If you understand what exactly is your base energy, or if you understand how does the energy work and what exactly are the problems that come up when you have energy issues, that point of time you would be able to understand most of the things that happen all across you. So it could be magnetism, it could be ayurveda, it could be esotericism, it could be occult, astrology, numerology, whatever. These are just forms, different levels of energy all around us, and unless and until you are not sensitive about the energy which is around you, you would not be able to transform anything else. So unless and until that does not happen, you will keep falling prey to other people. मतलब आप कहीं और जाएंगे और आप बोलेंगे नहीं भैया मुझे ये करा के दे दो, वो करा के दे दो. एंड देयर आर टाइम्स दैट you might even fall prey to tantrics. ऐसा कई बार होता है कि लोग जाते हैं तांत्रिकों के पास और बोलते हैं आप मेरा ये काम करके दे दीजिए. होता क्या है उसके बारे में अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे, राइट. इन केस यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, please do ask, or you can put up a comment right down below that, right. Let's go ahead and start. So the first thing we need to understand over here is, सबसे पहली चीज, ऊर्जा जो है, एनर्जी, उसके कई रूप हैं, वो हर बार बदलती रहती है, and it will have different levels, different transformations, and it will also have a lot of manifestations. So एनर्जी जो है वो अपना फॉर्म चेंज करती है. सो व्हेनेवर you want to attract something, whether you want something or you want to change something, you have to first understand what exactly is your base energy, and you'll be able to isolate it very very easily. To give you a hint, yes, you can certainly message me directly and we can do a energy analysis also. Now what exactly is energy I have spoken about. Now let's go ahead and talk about the different sections of energy. Okay, something that we can see, something that we cannot see, right. And how can you go ahead and work on something that you see on something that you cannot see, right. I will give you an example. So whenever you feel thirsty, जब आपको प्यास लगती है तब आप क्या करते हैं, आप पानी पीते हैं. You do not see what thirst is, but you know how to quench your thirst. The same thing goes with hunger, the same thing goes with sleep. So for getting adequate rest which you cannot see, you have to sleep. So there are things that you have to change at your physical level so that you can attain a lot of changes into your mental or your other levels of body. So when we talk about bodies, it is the energy levels, right. Over here I'm going to talk about three different levels of energies, and they are certainly connected with your chakras. What are chakras? They are your concentrated energy forms, right. So whatever is your base energy, supposing you're only thinking about sex all the time, or if you have only sexual thoughts, if you only have thoughts which create negativity, आपके दिमाग में केवल वही सब कुछ चलते रहता है. If you only think about anger, hatred, jealousy, irritation, your energy will flow in those mediums. इसका मतलब होता है आप ऐसी ही चीजों को अट्रैक्ट करेंगे जिससे आप वो सारी चीजों को पूरा कर सकें. रिमेंबर द एनर्जी डज नॉट आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज गुड और बैड, यू आइडेंटिफाई इट. ओके, सो योर बॉडी विल गो एंड से फाइंड माय वन ऑफ माय एनर्जी पॉइंट्स इज ओपन एंड नाउ इट्स द बेस्ट टाइम टू गो एंड अट्रैक्ट अ नेगेटिव एनर्जी. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इफ यू आर स्लीपिंग, अ नेगेटिव एनर्जी कैन कम इनटू योर बॉडी, और इवन इफ यू आर अवेक एंड यू आर एट अ प्लेस where a negative energy, any negative energy is present and sees that one of your centers which is actually open, okay, it can get into it by that means. Where exactly, how exactly does it happen, and what exactly are weak chakras, we are now going to talk about it. So we have diversified, or we have classified energy into four forms, right. The first form is the physical form. How do we isolate their issues? The physical issues hote hain, so we have put it up into three different forms, and that's the physical part. That is where religion is born from. Okay, unless and until there is no other, or the other is not there, which means there is no god, there is no man, there is no animals, there is no plants. So everything that is externally visible from their reproduction happens, and that's where religion comes into picture, right. Please understand this. I do not want to get into any kind of contradictions. I'm trying to explain it to you as to what I understand. So how do you isolate physical issues? There are three different ways. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So there are three different body types, and from that we come to know if a person is highly acidic, that person will have a few specific issues in few specific parts of his body, and he will have his thought process in that way. इसका मतलब उनका जो सोचने का उनकी जो सोचने की प्रक्रिया है वो उस तरीके की होगी. वात का भी ऐसा ही है. इट इज वायु. इसका मतलब होता है जब हमारे शरीर में एयर जो होती है वो एक्सेस हो जाती है तो स्कैवेंजिंग होनी शुरू हो जाती है, बिकॉज एयर मूव्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, एंड दैट इज वाई जब जब वात के जो प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, जब वो चलती है या वो निकलती है एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पर, तो उस जगह की जो डिकम्पोजिशन होती है या वहां पर जिस किसी भी चीज की कमी रह जाती है उसको स्कैवेंज किया जाता है, एंड दैट इज वाई मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स यू विल हैव स्कैवेंजिंग ऑफ कैल्शियम, बिकॉज वात इसका मतलब होता है एयर दैट कीप्स ऑन मूविंग, उसके थ्रू आपको जॉइंट में इश्यूज होंगे, बिकॉज इट हैज टू मूव, राइट, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू विल हैव मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु विल हैव इन्फ्लेमेशन विद बोन्स एंड जॉइंट्स, बिकॉज यू हैव इश्यूज विद एयर। सेम थिंग गोज विद वाटर। जब जब कोई भी चीज वाटर और अर्थ ये जो मिलते हैं तो चिकने हो जाते हैं, इसका मतलब दे कैन बिकम हार्ड, दे कैन बिकम स्टफी। दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस विद द थर्ड बॉडी टाइप व्हिच इज कफा। द फर्स्ट body type is pitta, which is heat, excessive heat. It also means that you will have excessive heat generated into your body. Normally when people have pitta, they will have early graying of their hairs, they will also have a lot of anger, irritation, ये सारी चीजें होती है, acidity होती है, stomach acid issues हो सकते हैं when people have such issues. So you will come to know that these are those specific body types, and because the thought process is that way, the base energy will certainly be affected. The base energy could be sex, the base energy could be anger, irritation, jealousy. If it is jealousy, there will be people who will only talk, who will love gossiping. Why? Because air comes into picture. कफ है तो वो इंसान बंदा घर पे ही बैठा रहेगा, that person will keep sitting at home watching web series throughout the day, okay, because he just loves sitting. It is कफ प्रकृति, right? पित्त है मतलब लोगों के बारे में भी बुराई करेगा, खुद भी खुद के बारे में बुराई करेगा। इसका मतलब he will start having conflicting views. He will be very open about saying anything negative. He will be very open about his love. He will be very open about his hatred, he or she. Alright, so these are different body types. This is just to make you understand that we have different thought patterns, and according to your body type we understand where exactly do we need to work. Now why am I saying this? Because this is the basic body type, okay? yahi se reproduction shuru hota hai, and we come to know whether a person is obese. Why is he obese? Why does he have, why he or she has a specific type of inflammation? So hormonal, enzymatic, any kind of issues, we first go ahead and classify people in physical body types. The same thing of course we have done. Most of my clients who are watching this session must be knowing that when we have done the analysis, we have done a full body analysis, and it does not mean that we just do the fat analysis, BMR and TE. No, that's old school. We also do a complete energy chart analysis, which means we come to know whether what exactly is the problem, because whatever you eat gets converted into energy. That's where we will be talking about the third body type, which is the energy body type. Then we are going to talk about mental body type. The whole Western world is more into the mental body type. When I say mental body type, do not consider into what I have written. So I have clearly mentioned it as the scientific body type. Okay, इसको हम लोग मनस शरीर बोलते हैं। जो फिजिकल बॉडी रहती है उसको हम लोग काया शरीर बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जो दिखती है, whatever you can see. The second body type is the manas body type, which is the mental body type. When people are normally only engaged into looking into things, okay, so they are more of observation, okay. So the Western world is only about observation, more about observation. The whole philosophy is more observation oriented. So they have to dissect and dissect only. They have to talk about anything that they have dissected. So all the attention is all external. Even about mind, they have created a lot of streams. So there will be NLP, there will be ecology, and there will be psychology. There are so many streams just related to mind, but it is again staying at mind. It is not jumping out of the mind, and that is where things completely change. And yes, between the mind and the physical body, okay, we have the energy body. The mental body, और जिसको हम लोग मनस शरीर बोलते हैं, उसके अंदर सबकॉन्शियस, अनकॉन्शियस, अवचेतन शरीर, चेतन शरीर, अचेतन शरीर, ये सारी चीजें आती हैं। इसी के अंदर मन भी आता है। जब हम शरीर की बात करते हैं, मन की ही बात करते हैं, okay? So it is something that you can see or something that you can feel, right? So whenever we talk about that specific part of the body, you also have everything else which is related to anything that you cannot see. So hunger you cannot see, rest you cannot see, quenching your thirst you cannot see, the pleasure that you get out of anything that you do. So it could be activity, it could be exercise, it could be any kind of task that you have been given, or sex. Whatever pleasure you get, you cannot see it, okay? So anything that you cannot see comes into the mental body type. Manas sharir ke andar aata hai. And because since the last 20 or 30 years, human beings have developed their second body, okay, this is the second body that human beings have developed. They actually need a lot of chemicals so that they can get clear, good, instant pleasure, right? And that's the reason fast food is there, because it gives you instant pleasure, right? Anything that is instant and anything that is chemical can certainly be tweaked with us, right? And that is why human beings are more prone towards smoking, alcoholism. Different types of drugs have come in because they only cater to one specific body type, which is your mental body type. This is again a very short-lived state, okay, because you want to compensate all your pleasure just with chemicals. You're just making yourselves weak. The same kind of body you must have seen a lot many people who are tantrics or people who actually take a lot of, आपने देखा होगा कई लोग चिलम लेकर घूमते हैं. They are always high. They are always high on weed. Okay. Now there is a specific type of a limit. एक लिमिट होती है जहां पर आकर आपको रुक जाना चाहिए. अगर आप नहीं रुकते तब आपको लत लग जाती है. Okay. If you do not stop yourselves over there, you will get into addiction. Okay. Most of the times, it could be alcohol also. I don't want to get into any kind of contradictions. Okay. No philosophies, no theories over here. But just in case you do not know alcohol, you can certainly go ahead and look out for alcohol, right? So yes, that's a completely different topic. So yes, drugs come into the second part, okay, because people nowadays want everything that is chemical. So मुझे जल्दी जल्दी कुछ दे दीजिए, weight loss के लिए जल्दी करा दीजिए, skin मेरी glow होने दीजिए, मेरे बाल अच्छे आने दीजिए. Everyone wants instant results because we are more on the chemical state, right? We have now moved from one body, two body to the third body, which is the energy body. So whatever you eat, howsoever you think, that creates a different route. Okay, so we are born with a specific type of an energy, right? So you could call it the DNA or whatever you can call it. You call it. I think that's the energy that certainly cannot be seen, but it can certainly be felt. So how do you feel it? There are different ways to feel it, and you'll have to concentrate all your senses to feel that one specific thing. We call it sensitization. Okay, so more you are insensitive, you really do not value life. That is exactly what happens when people start eating non-vegetarian food. They start getting lower on their prana. So they might be feeling very good because the taste, everything that is external, it starts feeling good. You might start having good muscles, you might have bigger bodies, but what about the prana, the actual energy? You start getting lower on that, right? Because it doesn't have the life force that is needed. What exactly am I talking about over here? I'm talking about the energy that makes your blood flow. Okay, I'm talking about the energy that goes into your body every time that you breathe. Okay, इसको हम प्राण बोलते हैं. And this is where everything happens. Okay, so if your energy gets blocked at a specific place, now you can certainly live all your life. Thousands, I mean millions and trillions of people, billions of people across the planet are living on the first or the second stage. ये जो स्टेज है यहाँ पर खाओ पियो और मरो, हरो चरो और मरो. गुजराती में कहावत है दोस्तों, हरो चरो और मरो. तो खाता है, पीना है, मर जाना है. Okay, that's the first stage, and then you can come to a second stage where you start thinking, when you start contemplating, and then there is a third stage where you just don't think, you also understand things. So there is not just information, there is not just knowledge, there is something else above it, which is called the wisdom. Okay, that's where everything changes. यहाँ पर चेतना जो है वो जागने लग जाती है. Okay, this is the actual place where intelligence starts taking place, and it has to be refined. You have to become more sensitive. Unless and until you don't start using your senses, you will not become more sensitive, right? You can activate your chakras. Everything can be done. To become sensitive is a completely different quality. You can become kind, but you cannot become compassionate, right? Unless and until you don't get into higher stages of sensitivity, right? That's where the chakras come into picture, right? So the third stage is pran. You have energy. We have different types of energy. One energy that just goes up, which is called the prana energy. Of course, we have different levels of our body. The final part of our body is the apana energy. Okay, we will not get into that, samana, udana or vayana. So दोस्तों, एक एनर्जी है जो सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टली मूव करती है, एक है जो वर्टिकली मूव होती है ऊपर और नीचे, एक बीच में होती है, which is the vayana. And then we have different types of energy. This energy works so that we can keep our body and our blood flowing. The lymphatic vessels which actually carry all your energy. So हमारे दोस्तों, हमारे शरीर का एक अपना नाड़ी संस्थान है. इसी के पर एक्यूप्रेशर, रिफ्लेक्सोलॉजी, मैग्नेटोथेरेपी इसी पर काम करती है. Okay, so when we talk about that energy, if you can balance it, you come to the third stage, which is sensitizing your body. Okay, making your body more available to everything around you. When people come to this stage, this is the point of time that if they are even 10% at this stage, when they close their eyes, they can start seeing colors. Okay, seeing colors is nothing esoteric, it's nothing amazing or splendid about it. Okay, most of the people, almost 90% of people, whenever they close their eyes and if they are looking out at their memories, the first thing that can happen after they start meditating is they can see colors. Okay, it's perfectly fine. There's nothing very splendid about it. So don't get into those phases where you start thinking that you're more close to enlightenment or aapke chakra jag gaye. Don't get into that, right? Finally, And as I said, after energies come into picture, once you come to know that aapki jo you come to know that your apana energy is not working properly, and because apana is not functioning properly, you might have constipation related issues, intestinal related issues, PCOD, so many things. And because of prana, because of your apana energy or the apana pran, you might be also having a lot of issues with your prana energy. Most of the people who have energies with their excretion also have a problem with their upper level energies. Okay, so the प्राण जो आपका शरीर है, या प्राण जो आपकी एनर्जी है, ठीक है, वो अगर ठीक से नहीं चलेगी, which is your pituitary, your hypothalamus, if it does not work properly, you will also have issues with your lower level energies, right? So please understand all these things. If you understand these things, you will be able to point out most of the problems that you have. बहुत ज़्यादा आपके जो inflammations है वो आपको चुटकियों में पता चल जाएंगे. And once you come to know about it, you can work on your base energies. The final part is spirituality. So after all of these things, once you are able to concentrate yourself, once you are able to focus, and don't worry, it does not mean that you start concentrating in between your eyes or things like that. There are different ways to get over here, which is the fourth body. We call it the Sukshma Sharir, nucleic, atomic, whatever sharir, whatever body you want to call it, you can call it. So दोस्तों, ये फाइनल शरीर है, इसको हम लोग स्पिरिचुअल, अध्यात्म जो होता है वो यहीं से शुरू होता है. इसका किसी धर्म के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड रिलीजन are two different things. Chakras are not necessarily meant to be, something that belongs to a specific religion or only a specific religion has studied it. No, enlightenment has got nothing to do with chakras either. Okay, it is just a form where we understand that these are the manifestation. If a person has got this level of chakras, he is very close to freedom, ultimate freedom, or what we call enlightenment. Most of the religions, almost all religions that we know are created by enlightened people. They did not belong to that religion, they created that religion only after they became enlightened. So a person has to become enlightened, then a religion is created. Whatever we are following today across the world are religions that are created by enlightened people. So remember this very important thing. Okay, uh, you have to understand that unless and until you do not understand your base energy, your blocks. Okay, and this is the best way to understand your blocks is that what stage are you. If you understand your stages, you can jump to the next stage. Now you can have mixed stages also. Okay, a person who is very high at the prana stage also can be very high at the physical stage, because you could be very sensitive at one specific stage, right? And if you understand that, and if you also are able to get the clues as to where your energy is getting blocked, you should be able to move it and you should be able to transform it. Now understand this, I have used two different words, moving and transforming. Most of the people, they are only able to move their energy, they are not able to transform it. Understand this very, very clearly, that you can move energy from one chakra to another. It's easier that way. Most of the people who teach you how to move chakras from one place to another, or whoever they go and tell you that हमारे पास ऐसा कोई program है जहाँ से हम आपके चक्र उठा देंगे, that's more easier. Okay, so there are processes, there are techniques to do that, but the main thing is how you can help a person transform that energy. Okay, so a person who has always been jealous, even if he opens up his energies, if he is jealous, he will always look out for wealth, he will always look out for knowledge, he will still be hoarding, because root chakra, if the root chakra is maligned, okay, you can move it from one specific part to another, which means your vertebrae and your cerebrospinal fluid, you can move it very, very easily. There are ways of to do that. Even in हठ योगा में ऐसे तरीके हैं जिससे आप अपनी जो वर्टिब्रे के अंदर, जिसको हम कुंडलिनी बोलते हैं, उसको आप जगा सकते हैं. यू कैन मूव इट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आपकी जो कुंडलिनी है वो उठ चुकी है. वो उठ तो जाएगी, जागेगी नहीं. How do you come to know about that? It has to be pure and you need to be very sensitive to do that. Once you do that, you should be perfectly fine. You will have a lot of silence. Once that happens, आपके अंदर गति जो है, बाहर के उद्वेग हैं वो बंद हो जाएंगे. You will be a person who will absolutely believe in, who will value his aloneness. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Once you have that satori, which is the ultimate orgasmic experience, you will just have a small glimpse of it. It does not stay with you, but it is up to you how you can get it again and again. So once you get it, you can get it again. So the one thing that you will see that happens if you are able to bring it from one specific center to another, मतलब एक कुंडलिनी जाग गई आपकी और आपने उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लिया, you're able to transform that. Okay, what would happen is, the first thing that can happen is that person will never be, first of all, that person will not crave for anyone's dependence. So सबसे पहली चीज ये हो जाती है कि वो जो इंसान है वो दूसरे के ऊपर टिकना बंद कर देता है। इसका मतलब ही विल बी इंडिपेंडेंट, कंप्लीटली इंडिपेंडेंट। यू कैन लीव हिम ऑल अलोन एंड ही वुड बी एबल टू लिव ऑल अलोन एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. He would not crave for the other because that is all not there. He will be the first person who will request everyone's individuality. Why? Because he has tasted the aloneness. I'm not saying loneliness. I'm not saying that this person will be the most boring person. He is actually enjoying the pleasure that he's getting from inside. He's not dependent now on any kind of chemical favors coming from outside. So he's all in and he can always derive the pleasure. Now it can go back once again very low if he goes into the same stupidities or the same things that he was doing previously, right? So these are the things that we understand about the base energies, the basic bodies. Okay, I have spoken about the colors, the mantras, everything. I will be putting up a chart. You guys can look at the chart. It will be in the description of the video about the oils that you can use. Crystals I have already spoken about before. I have also put up the chart. You can download it from Instagram or my website also. Just in case you still have not seen it, you can see the first video where I have given the chart, right? Okay guys, so this was all about it. Just in case you still have any answers, if there is something that you want me to analyze and tell you as to what exactly do you need to do, we also have specific courses for that, which means I have completely devised a complete course where you understand. See, no one can go ahead and teach you a lot of things in a class where a teacher is teaching maths. Okay, there will be 50 people who will be learning maths, but there is only one person who understand maths and he can develop himself. Spirituality is more on those planes. So I can tell you what are the techniques that you need to do. I can also give you a clear analysis as to which is your chakra, what exactly is the problem, where exactly is your energy being behold, right? We also have rituals, we have affirmations. I have devised most of the things, but it is up to you to do it at least to a specific point of time till the course tells you to do, right? So please understand these simple things. These are very simple things. You need to be disciplined, you need to be focused, and you also need to have a lot of other things. Just in case you cannot imagine everything that I'm talking about, if you cannot imagine, you're still at the second phase. Okay, there are so many people who say that, sir, I cannot imagine. You're not at this phase. Okay, there's no person in the world who cannot imagine. It is just that they believe they cannot imagine. Okay, they believe they cannot imagine. I can prove it. And there are so many people who feel that they cannot concentrate. Okay, there are so many people who feel that they cannot focus or they cannot concentrate. That's a lie. Everyone can concentrate, everyone can imagine, and everyone can focus. It's just that we start believing that we cannot do that, or we start believing and we are practiced in believing a lot of false stuff, right? So it is a journey, and I always call it a royalty. Not everyone will reach over there. 100 में से कोई एक, हजारों में से कोई एक होता है, who will even walk around it. लोग सिर्फ बात करते रहेंगे. People love talking, right? People don't want to do it. It's almost like the Western philosophy. You keep talking about it, you never reach there. Okay, because talking itself is so interesting, the journey is completely forgotten. The destination is completely forgotten. You start talking about the journey itself, the shoes, the road, the air, water, and everything. Okay, and the journey and the destination is completely forgotten. This is where you need to, start, and this is where you need to end. Trust me, guys. Most of the issues that you have related to your physical problems, आपको कोई अगर physical problem है, trust me, I have seen people getting rid of it. It could be thyroid, it could be any kind of issues, PCOD, whatever you talk about. Okay, you can get rid of it. Obesity, 100%. I know so many people. Okay, I know so many people who can eat too much. Okay, who can eat too much, who can hog like anything. Okay, and they will still not go and put on weight. Why? Because they have an overactive energy centers which can burn as much of fat as they need. Okay, they can also burn fat while they're sleeping, and I know too many people who don't even eat that much, but they still put on weight. But that's just a simple fact. Okay, right? So please understand that if you get on this road, you would not have to worry about anything else. No relationships, wealth, health. No, you don't have to worry about it because that's your ultimate point where you get. But remember, this whole road, this complete route, it has got a lot of discipline that you have to follow. And listen, until you're not ready to go and take the first step, there's nothing that we can do ahead for you, right? Thank you guys. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का for watching this session. And yes, just in case there is anything else, I will go ahead and complete it in the next video. I have taken all the 5 questions. The last question was, of course, about ghosts. I have spoken about it. If you have open energy centers, okay, whenever you're thinking, if your base energy is wrong, okay, if your base energy says that you're going to feel jealous, if you're going to be always be feeling fearful, okay, in that case what can happen is your energy can start getting constricted. आपकी जो energy है वो सिकुड़ जाएगी अंदर. जब वो सिकुड़ जाती है तो आपके बाकी केंद्र खुले हुए रहते हैं. Most of the people, most of the human beings, they leave their body from one specific energy center only. There are hardly any people whom I would be knowing. They must have even practiced going out from their body from a different energy center, right? So most of the people, they go from the lower centers only, correct? Hardly any people. So because your lower centers are always open, and lower centers are something that require the other. So you have the sex centers, it requires the other for reproduction. You have the anger center, it always requires the other. You have the hoarding center, it will require you hoarding something. You have the knowledge center, it will require you to go and read and learn a lot of things. And as soon as you start coming up from the fourth center upwards, love, जहां पर प्रेम आता है वहां पर दूसरे की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Okay, कबीर बोलते हैं प्रेम गली इतनी साकरी के तामे दो ना समाये, which means, the path of love is so narrow that, even two people cannot go, even one person cannot go, so you'll have to drop yourself. So from the fourth chakra, चौथा चक्र जो है, वहां से आपकी जो जर्नी है पूरी बदल जाती है, right? So please understand, the lower three chakras are the places, if you have them weak, you will certainly go and attract negative energies. But if you have them strong, exactly the opposite can happen. Wherever you go, there will be negative energies which will start dispelling. Okay, they will start, वो लोग भाग जाएंगे वहां से, अगर वहां पर आप होंगे तो. ठीक है, सेम थिंग, वो सिंपल बात है. इफ यू हैव हायर लेवल एनर्जीज, no negative energy will even try to come near you, right? But at the same point of time, you can stay with a negative level person, and you can start making your chakras weaker, correct? Because that person will start sucking all your energy, right? So please dhyan mein rakhiye, this is for everyone who's into such kind of, maybe you have friends, you have colleagues or anyone like that. So stay away from them, because in that case you are actually destroying your mental body. This is the place that you're destroying. If you're with negative people, this is the place that you start destroying. If you are into negative thinking, this is the body that you're destroying. If you're into junk food eating, this is the body that you're destroying, right? If you're into wrong habits completely, okay, so you have wrong beliefs, aapke bahut beliefs wrong hai, you started believing that, people of a certain specific class, creed, religion, race, they are born superior. Completely destroyed, completely. For ages, for births, you destroy this specific body, prana sharir. I know too many people at this specific place, they start feeling that, this a certain specific race or a specific community or a specific location, or westerners are born specifically, they have great genetic code and things. Nothing like that, nothing like that. You can create your own space. You have to understand that, right? बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दोस्तों. एंड जस्ट इन केस यू लव द वीडियो, यू लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज डू नॉट बी अ माइजर. ओके, आई डोंट सी सो मेनी पीपल, there are hardly any people who even try to, I just don't understand whether you're going to like the video or not. So if you like the content, the way that I produce it, I project it before you, or I put it up before you, and if I'm able to answer all the 5 questions, please don't be a miser to go and click the like button. Okay, show up your gratitude, because that's the way that we understand that it's mutual. Correct. Perfect. So दोस्तों, अगर आपके पास फिर भी कोई सवाल है, if you still have any questions, put them up into the comment box, and I will surely go and answer all the questions that we have had. You can also shoot me all your questions on WhatsApp number. Everyone who's got my WhatsApp number, please send it. Right? Namaste.